Is managing your small business payroll feeling like a tangled mess of spreadsheets and endless calculations? If you're a small business owner, especially in the home service industry, you know the struggle is real. You're juggling client appointments, dispatching teams, invoicing, and then, at the end of the day, you've got to figure out how to pay everyone accurately and on time. It's enough to make you wonder if there's a better way, a more streamlined approach that integrates with your existing business management tools. And if you're already using Jobber for your operations, a common question pops up: does Jobber offer payroll services? It's a natural extension of the services Jobber already provides. You're tracking time, managing jobs, and sending invoices, all crucial elements that feed directly into payroll. So, it only makes sense to ask if Jobber completes the loop by handling the intricacies of paying your team. The short answer, and we'll dive into the nuances, is no, Jobber does not directly offer in-house payroll services. Now, before you click away in disappointment, hear me out. While Jobber doesn't directly process payroll, that doesn't mean you're left in the lurch. Far from it, in fact. Jobber understands that payroll is a critical component of running any successful business, and they've designed their platform with seamless integrations in mind. This is a crucial distinction, and one that actually offers you a great deal of flexibility and power in managing your business finances. Think about it this way. Instead of trying to be a jack of all trades and potentially diluting their core offering of job management, invoicing, and CRM, Jobber focuses on what it does best. And what it does best, it does exceptionally well. They provide robust tools for scheduling, dispatching, quoting, invoicing, and customer management. These are the operational pillars of your home service business. Payroll, while interconnected, is a specialized financial service that requires a deep understanding of tax regulations, deductions, and compliance. So, how does Jobber help with payroll if it doesn't offer it directly? This is where the magic of integration comes in. Jobber has strategically partnered with leading payroll providers and built direct integrations that allow for a smooth flow of information. Imagine this scenario. Your field crew clocks in and out using the Jobber app. That time data is automatically recorded and tied to specific jobs. When it's time for payroll, instead of manually transcribing hours from timesheets or disparate systems, that accurate time data can be easily exported or, even better, directly synced with your preferred payroll software. This approach offers several significant advantages. Firstly, it gives you choice. There isn't a one-size-fits-all solution for payroll. Different businesses have different needs, varying numbers of employees, and operate in different regulatory environments. By integrating with multiple payroll providers, Jobber allows you to select the service that best fits your specific requirements. Whether you need a simple payroll solution for a few employees or a more comprehensive platform with benefits administration and HR features, you can pick the best tool for the job. Secondly, it ensures accuracy. The time tracking in Jobber is designed for the home service industry. It accounts for travel time, on-site time, and even breaks, giving you a precise record of your team's hours. When this accurate data is fed directly into your payroll system, it drastically reduces the chances of errors that often occur with manual data entry. Less errors mean less headaches for you, and happier employees who are paid correctly. Thirdly, it saves you time. This is perhaps one of the most valuable benefits. Instead of spending hours each pay period gathering time cards, calculating hours, and inputting data, the integration automates much of this process. This frees up your valuable time, allowing you to focus on growing your business, managing your team, and serving your customers, rather than getting bogged down in administrative tasks. Let's talk about some of the popular payroll software options that integrate seamlessly with Jobber. While Jobber frequently updates its integrations, some of the commonly used and highly recommended options include QuickBooks Payroll, Gusto, and ADP. Each of these has its own strengths and caters to slightly different business needs. QuickBooks Payroll, for instance, is a popular choice for many small businesses, especially those already using QuickBooks for their accounting. The integration with Jobber means that your job data and time tracking can flow directly into QuickBooks for simplified payroll processing and financial reconciliation. It's a powerful combination for an end-to-end financial management solution. Gusto is another highly rated payroll provider known for its user-friendly interface and comprehensive features, including automated tax filing, direct deposit, and employee onboarding tools. For businesses looking for a modern and intuitive payroll experience, Gusto is often a top contender. The integration with Jobber makes it easy to transfer time and job information, streamlining your payroll runs. ADP, a giant in the payroll industry, offers a wide range of services for businesses of all sizes. While it might be a more robust solution for larger small businesses, its integration capabilities with Jobber ensure that even businesses utilizing ADP's extensive offerings can benefit from the streamlined data flow. The process of integrating Jobber with your chosen payroll service is typically straightforward. Jobber provides clear instructions and often has dedicated support resources to help you set up the connection. Once established, you'll usually find options to sync employee data, time entries, and other relevant information at the click of a button or even set up automated synchronization. It's important to remember that while Jobber doesn't do payroll, it provides the essential foundation. It collects the accurate data you need: the hours worked, the jobs completed, the services rendered, and makes it incredibly easy to transfer that data to a specialized payroll provider. This division of labor allows both Jobber and your chosen payroll service to excel in their respective domains, ultimately providing you with a more robust and efficient business management ecosystem. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.